Welcome back to my channel, The Coin Spot. Today is best top 2 coins, one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. Top 1. The 1984 D Liberty. 1 cent coin from the United States of America, and you'd like to know its full history. Here's a clear and complete overview. 1984 D Lincoln cent, 1 cent or penny. Full history's basic information: obverse, front. Features President Abraham Lincoln. Reverse, back. Shows the Lincoln Memorial, used from 1959 to 2008. Date, 1984 mint. Mark Sober D stands for Denver Mint denomination, 1 cent metal composition, 97.5% zinc, 2.5% copper, thin copper coating. This change occurred in 1982. Before that, pennies were 95% copper. Historical context: Lincoln cent series began in 1909 to commemorate the 100th birthday of Abraham Lincoln. The Lincoln Memorial reverse was introduced in 1959 to mark the 150th anniversary of his birth. The 1984 D coin is part of this long-running series. 1984 coin specifics mass-produced. Over 6.5 billion 1984 D pennies were minted, making it very common, used mostly in everyday circulation, errors and valuable variants. While the standard coin is worth only face value, rare error coins exist. 84. Double die obverse, DDO. Feature: doubling of Lincoln's ear and parts of the text. Liberty, in God we trust. These can be worth $50 to over $300 depending on condition. Condition matters: uncirculated, mint condition. Coins are more valuable. Coins in circulation, worn, usually remain at 1 cent value. Collecting and legacy Lincoln cents are the longest-running coin series in U.S. history. The 1984 D coin is not rare, but part of an important historical series. Some people collect every year and mint mark as a hobby or investment. Top 2. The 1983 D Lincoln Liberty. 1 cent coin from the United States of America. Here's a full history and important facts about it. 1983 D Lincoln cent, 1 cent or penny. Full history, basic details, obverse. Front. Portrait of Abraham Lincoln. Word Liberty and the date 1983 with a D mint mark. Denver. Reverse. Back. United States of America, e pluribus unum and 1 cent. Minted at Denver Mint, marked with a D mintage. How many were made? About 6.47 billion coins value. Most common. Usually 1 cent unless it has a special error composition and change in history major change. In 1982, the U.S. Mint changed penny composition. Before 1982, 95% copper, 5% zinc in 1983, and after, 97.5% zinc, 2.5% copper plated. This change made pennies lighter and cheaper to produce. 1983 D coin. Key facts: not made of solid copper, common in circulation. Not rare unless it has an error. You can test if it's copper or zinc by weighing it. Copper penny. About 3.11 gram zinc penny. About 2.5 grams valuable errors. There are a few rare versions of 1983 pennies that are worth much more. 1983. Double die reverse, DDR. Feature: strong doubling in the words 1 cent and e pluribus unum. These can be worth $75 to $300 plus, depending on condition. 1983, copper plancher error, very rare. A few 1983 pennies were mistakenly made from old copper blanks. If a 1983 penny weighs 3.11 grams, it might be one. These have sold for $10,000 or plus at auctions. Historical context: Abraham Lincoln has been on the U.S. cent since 1909, his 100th birthday. The Lincoln Memorial design was used from 1959 to 2008. 1983. Pennies are part of the early zinc era. Conclusion: 1983 D pennies are common, but check for errors or weight to see if yours is special. If you find a 1983 D penny that weighs around 3.11 g, it might be rare. Otherwise, it's worth 1 cent, but still part of an important American coin series. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe our my channel for more videos.